Hello everyone, it is Greyhound. How are we doing today? So, I wanted to talk real quick. I know I've done a review on the lockpick tools or Southern Specialties, their little pocket jackknife unit. This is the one that's made out of their glass-filled nylon, and I've already reviewed that. Amazing little tool. Really enjoy it. Have a lot of fun with it. I recently got my hands on the aluminum-bodied version. Mine had actually broke, so I ordered this as a replacement and then moved my pick set into this. So able to take the picks that are out of this, just throw it to the aluminum body, reversible belt clip. But look at the engraving that's on this thing. I mean, that is just beautifully done tool. I made a slight change, so there's my tensioner that came with it. I took a second tensioner, trimmed it down to make a top of keyway tensioner. Fits in on top, and then the other one goes in and secures it in place. But this one, the nylon one is a great tool. This aluminum one, man, I tell you, that thing locks. Super solid. Really slick. Very nice pocket tool. Super lightweight, easy to carry around. Great product. So there's my second layer of dairy. Just drop that in. And then I take this one. And once I put this one in, there we go, get you in there. That bottom one is locked in place, held by the top one. It's not going anywhere, doesn't make any noise, doesn't rattle around. So, neat little modification you can make to make that a really neat tool. All right, there you are, man. Pretty sweet. You should check them out and get one. I think everybody should have one of these two tools in their pocket because it's incredible. You can customize the bits as well to get the pick contours that you want for those. So, great product. Later.